Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download the Cigna Health app, mobile setup guide step by step clearly. Open your smartphone and locate the App Store. If you are using an iPhone, find the App Store icon. For Android, look for the Google Play Store icon. Once you've opened the App Store, use the search bar at the top of the screen. Type in Cigna Health and hit search. Look for the app with the Cigna logo. Ensure it's the official Cigna Health app by checking the developer name. Tap on the app to view more details. Next, find the download or install button. Tap on this button to start downloading the app. Wait for the app to finish downloading and installing on your device. Once the installation is complete, locate the Cigna Health app on your home screen. Tap on the app icon to open it. If you already have an account, select the Login option. Enter your username and password to access your account. If you are new to Cigna, select Sign Up to create a new account. Follow the prompts to enter your personal information. After filling in the necessary details, submit your information. You may receive a confirmation email to verify your account. Check your email and follow the instructions to confirm your registration. Once your account is set up, return to the app. Log in using your newly created credentials. Explore the app's features and tools designed for your health management. You are now ready to take full advantage of the Cigna Health app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.